Hi all, how you doing? I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world. So it looks like we've had some market manipulation going on here. Cointelegraph released some news that the Bitcoin ETF had been given the go-ahead. And here we can see the price sort of went from, move me out of the way, went from about 27.7 up to over 30,000. So a move of 2,300 points for Bitcoin, which is about 9% or something like that, maybe just shy of 9%, but it's gone up roughly 9% on the back of unestablished news from Cointelegraph, where somebody wrote an article saying the ETF was approved. And then later on, they changed the article to say that it hadn't, but they changed the wording of the article. So that put them in the clear kind of thing. But clear, I think this is market manipulation by them to release an article where they would pump the price and they could dump the Bitcoin. And when the news comes back that actually it's fake, it's a fake news, then the Bitcoin price is recovered back to what it was, kind of thing. But what this does show, right? What this does show is that if an ETF does get approved, then this is going to go bananas. All right. Now, if it's gone up 9% on the back of some flimsy news, what's it going to go back on some solid news? And what happens when we get more than one ETF? You can see some massive moves ahead in the future. All right. We can easily get back to where we were if we have some of these kind of moves. If an ETF actually does come out, then we can see the volume has really spiked here. Okay. We can see that we're going to get some massive moves if we actually get the news that an ETF is coming out. Personally, I'm sort of reticent about an ETF because what that means, that puts us sort of in the hands of the big boys, the big companies like BlackRock and all of that. And to me, that's not really what Bitcoin's about. It's about social, in my opinion. It's about using Bitcoin to get out of the rat race in some respects, because you're kind of dependent on these big companies, and these big companies are just going to take all the profits by stealing all our Bitcoin effectively. So I'm a bit worried about that. I think we're all going to sell out to these big companies, and they're going to be left holding all the assets that are worth anything instead of sharing them amongst us all. So that's kind of I'm a little bit worried about that. But anyway, just from a price point of view, this fake out has shown that when an ETF does come along, it's going to really pump this price. So if that's what you're interested in, then I think that's going to happen sooner than later.